welcome back to another vlog, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today is Sunday. We're going to a little meetup for cars and coffee. Gotta get a little haircut, but enjoy the bigger beard, I guess, on camera. Taking the GT3, meeting up with a bunch of people. We might go downtown to Yorkville for a coffee in the morning. It is early, around like 9 a.m. But we haven't gotten that many cruises in this year because everyone's been super busy. So I thought make a little vlog of meeting up with the boys and getting down to Yorkville and enjoying some exotic cars. It's a little rainy weather, just some rain passing by, but it's okay. Car gets driven no matter what in the summer, so rain or shine, that's what we're doing. All right, so we got the boys lined up, ready to go. Got the Twin Turbo R8, we got the C63 GT3, we got the Huracan, and then a Rolls-Royce. No idea what the model is. Not really a Rolls-Royce type of guy, so let me check. I think it may be a Ghost or something. What is this? No idea, it doesn't even say on the back. Whatever, I'll ask the owner because he probably knows much more than me. Got all the madams going at it. These cruises can get pretty hectic. We're about like 10 minutes away, going through the old city of Toronto over here. I mean, cruising on the highway was good. I didn't want to record too much, but I'm in car's Twin Turbo R8, obviously you guys know that. And then I'm just trying to basically get some coffee and then maybe showcase you guys any other cars that are going to be there. I don't know. But driving these cars downtown is a little bit of a pain sometimes just because how low they are. So the clearance issue, sometimes we gotta avoid certain areas. Otherwise it's pretty chill, they're pretty drivable. With the manual R8 it was a little bit difficult because of the traffic, but no big deal. Alright, we're at Yorkville, parked up. Mr. J is ready for Starbucks. He's given up on life, sat down on the bench. You don't know which type of people were on this bench, but he sat down. I need a hazelnut oat chicken. That's it, that's it. He needs a shawarma and a coffee. Yeah. Oh, right? Shawarma with him. And then we got Mr. S63. That's what I almost said E. Goddamn, I almost disrespected the S. Wow, that's sounds nice though. You ended up doing the tune, right? Yeah, stage 2 now. Yeah, sick. Stage 2. Look at that. Not even 1, 2. It's a badass situation going on here. No, it sounds nice when he starts it up. I can tell just the way. Yeah. They're like very like burbly and loud. BMW. Yeah. No, not in a raspy burble. VA, big boy burble. It's good. I like it. It's proper. Let's go get some shopping. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, you'd need shoes with these fucking pants you're wearing. So.
Corduroy, bro. You need some good shit with the corduroy.
Look at this. This is high class people. Corduroys. We're in the t-shirt and shorts.
Ready for the gym, man. Ready to go work out.
So we ended up at Starbucks somehow. Yeah. What's your name, Bob? Bob. Very good. Bob ordered. What'd you order, Bob?
Chocolate croissant.
All right. Got a bunch of drinks. Alright, so now Mr. Tour is doing an interview. This guy's recording, he's filming, Roy's holding the coffee and a cold brew or something like that. My stuff's on this side. That's what happens, man, when you come out, interviews, pictures. Pretty funny, to be honest. I don't try doing them though. Alright, so now we got pizza after the interviews. We got Mr. S63 eating the whole pizza himself.
Go to AMG GT3 later, that's why. I answered it too.
And we got water bottles. It is super hot right now, man.
250. Oh, 250.
Alright, homies, we did the interviews, we had some lunch, and now we're headed out of Yorkville. Thank you for joining the vlog. If there's anything that happens on the way home, I'll record it. We're gonna go do a little spirited drive home. Everybody's still here, taking it easy, chilling. I washed up the Porsche, and now I am headed towards dropping off the C63 for its 10-day wrap inspection, plus a few things which I'll tell you guys. So for the 10-day, we have to look over the wraps. I did make a few notes of things that I have to get done, but the side emblems are coming in from Mercedes, which in black, which we're going to put on. He is doing a full ceramic coating after washing up the car, and what he told me was to tell him anything I noticed. So what I noticed was just maybe one or two things on the wrap that need to be kind of touched up. And the reason for that is because after you leave the car in the heat, you know, the wrap will kind of adhere more to the body, and then sometimes you get tiny little fragments of a corner or whatnot that might not be good. But apparently for especially the time the car has been wrapped, it's been pretty good. So the only issue I really had was because it's been really hot. It's 35-40 degrees Celsius. The 3M tape was kind of letting loose on one side right here, but it's very minute and nothing major. And other than that, it's going to be ceramic coated, which will keep the wrap more you know, easily cleanable. For me, I can kind of wash it and not worry about dust and mud sticking to it. So yeah, let's get going. Let's drop the car off to Jazzy, and then finally we'll end the vlog there. So a quick update with the C63. The AC was not working for a while, and I thought it was going to be a major problem, but luckily what happened was we ran the dye test, and we thought it was going to be, you know, a 3-4 day process to figure out where it was leaking and whatnot. And what actually ended up happening was when I got the AC refilled, we didn't really notice, but one of the valves that was we were filling the AC in, that is what was leaking. So AC is working perfectly fine, and the car is running smooth, but I thought it was going to be maybe a punctured radiator or something of that sort. But luckily it turned out to be nothing, just more than a very small valve that my mechanic just pushed the rubber seal in, and it started working perfectly fine. It actually blows a little too cold now, so it wasn't blowing cold at all before. So that I had to deal with that, and a punctured tire on the M4. I hit a nail on the the right side tire, took a real big construction nail. So these are the things that are happening during the week. I'm not really vlogging them because they're kind of like not really vloggable, but I just wanted to give you an update on, you know, what's really you could say what's really going on in the background to maintain these cars sitting at home. So we're headed to Mr. Jazzy, and it is 33.5 degrees Celsius right now. It was much hotter before. It is 6:30 now. During the afternoon with the boys with the exotics, when we left from there, I think it was around 30 something. So it's long day, but gotta get these things done, so I'm gonna stop rambling on now. All right, so we're at the shop. They're working on a car as usual. I'm bothering them, so we're here dropping the car off. As I told you guys, emblem, black roof, just a little bit of going over the car and seeing if anything needs to be done. Yep. So he's really meticulous when it comes to that type of stuff. And then we're gonna do the little ceramic coating on top just to keep the wrap protected. But other than that, the only other issue we really had that was probably due to my fault was I left the car out in crazy heat, and I was playing around with the trunk and a little bit of the 3M, but I'm very OCD like he is, so I just told him to reapply this black lip at the back just so it's, you know, perfect, because that's how we like our cars, you know, perfect. And besides that, the car is looking good. Got my real estate logo on top, took the emblem, we put a big one on, we took that off. It looked a little tacky, so I can use it for business purposes, write off some taxes. But yeah, everything else is good on the car. And really, if you guys need a wrap, as I said, Jazzy's your guy, and if he has any updates on the car after ceramic, he'll let me know, give me a clip. But besides that, I just wanted to drop it off. It's been a long day.